Home Remedies presents How to treat swollen lips at home with natural remedies. The appearance of the face is very important to feeling good and happy. When lips appear too large for personal taste, self-confidence can decrease. It can occur due to injury, insect bite, dental issues, or allergy. You can try a few home remedies at the comfort of your home. Let's see those. Salt water solution. Salt is an excellent healing agent for minor cuts and injuries related to the lips. Pour 1 teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water and mix well. Now, soak a cotton ball into the liquid and put it over your swollen lips for a few seconds. Redo this process once or twice a day until the fat lips are gone. Ice cubes. Do not apply ice cubes directly on the lips, as it can cause soreness. Wrap 1 or 2 cubes of ice in a towel and massage the lip area. Ice reduces the swelling along with relieving the pain. Practicing this 3 to 4 times in a day will reduce the swelling and pain. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Aloe vera. Pour half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and apply a thin layer of this mixture onto your lips using the fingertips. Let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. Redo this method if needed. It will heal the fat lip quickly because aloe vera is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Honey. Honey is a versatile home remedy for several health conditions. It is also effective against swollen lips because of its richness in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics. Apply a thin layer of honey onto your fat lips with the fingertips and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash this application and repeat the process multiple times a day to notice the effects. Baking soda. Baking soda is an ultimate pain relieving agent and may reduce the appearance of swollen lips. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of water into a small bowl. Stir well to get a lump-free paste. Now apply it evenly onto the lips with a cotton ball and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash this application with lots of water. Redo the process until the fat lips are reduced in size. Clean your lips with lots of water before trying any of these remedies. While trying the remedies, do not consume the ingredients. The natural techniques are an excellent way to deal with swollen lips. However, you will get the desired results in a day or more, so be patient. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.